Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a review on this beautiful curly unit that you see on me right here, and it's by Janet Collection, and it's Campbell, and it's part of their extended part lace unit, and I got it in the color mixed crimson. So this is what the model looks like. The model is wearing tiger orange, and it's a beautiful color. And this unit is heat safe up to 360 degrees, and it is giving me like a water wave kind of look, or like the wet look. And I love the color. Like, look at that red. It just has like, I love the little like pieces of red that's like pop. It's just popping. It's like bam, I'm here. I love that about this unit. For shedding wise, I have not had any shedding or whatsoever, and it came with a lace. I had to cut the lace, and this is what the parting space looks like. The parting space is a little tight, which I did not plug because I was feeling lazy. So, but it still look okay with the space not plugged. I just went in and I put a little bit of my foundation and stuff to blend in with my color. So this is what the hairline looks like. I didn't do anything with it, but it is a really nice unit. I would say this is about maybe 12 inches long. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so as you saw there, I got a little bit of tangling, but oh yeah. Oh yep, she tangled a little bit, but I mean, with any unit that you have touching your clothes, is bound to tangle, because it's like, it's that little friction going on right there. It's like, so it's gonna tangle a little bit. All you have to do is just slide your hand right through it, and that fixed the problem. But I love this unit. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. And voila, I really love this, guys. Like, I am feeding myself like, ooh, But yeah, this is a really nice unit. I really love it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.